Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial I will show you how you can change the size of screenshot in iPhone. It's super easy to do. Let's get started. Open up your phone settings and then scroll up and go to generals, and then you will see over here below the picture in picture option over here capture screen. So once you click on that, you will see over here in this home page or like that screen capture over here. So once you click on that toggle to turn this on the top, so you will see this. So once you click on that and once you get a screenshot on your phone, so it's gonna be like comes in this full screen. So you have to do is click on OK or like the check option on the top, and once you click on that, so you will save this image in your gallery. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.